Um, this can be fought with the Canadian Bill of Rights because it's a violation of your right to informed consent, your right to privacy, and your right to be treated equally by the law and protected equally by the law. That's Section 1A and 1B of the Canadian Bill of Rights. So we can ask that this order that's been put in place to require these restrictions for travel be put aside because they violate the Canadian Bill of Rights. We already have 5,000 people signed up that want to participate in this, and we're going to have everyone do an affidavit explaining how this impacts them, what happened when they tried to travel, um, and what kind of outcome they want from this. And I'm working with Rebecca Shepherd, Stand for Thee, on this. And neither of us have the legal training to do this. So we're seeking advice and guidance from licensed lawyers. I'm a licensed paralegal, but that's beyond my scope. Judicial review is in federal court, so it's beyond my scope. But we're gonna dig up, the best research we can, and uh, make an effort to work up the arguments, and then we'll get whatever direction we need to prepare the paperwork, and then we'll file as litigants, co-litigants, and I think it would have a really good chance of winning. They really don't have any legal basis to deny this, what we're asking, because there's a clear violation of Canadian law in these policies. So this is where we're going to go with that. So with our Canadian Bill of Rights, with regard to the provincial COVID measures, we're using the Canadian Bill of Rights to challenge the enforcement of those laws. You cannot overturn the laws themselves because they're provincial, so you can't use the Bill of Rights to overturn the laws themselves, but you can challenge the implementation. So if they're using force, it has to be guided by the provisions of the Canadian Bill of Rights. So that's how we're using it provincially. And I did another live a few days ago that explains that more clearly and gives the case law that we're relying on. And within the next week, I think we'll have some kind of draft together. And if you want to sign on to be a litigant in this judicial review challenge of the federal travel restrictions, you can sign up on the website standforthee.ca, and it's the digit 4. So this is the kick at the can we're going to take at this point. So I'm going to leave you with this again. Hashtag we got this.